That's awesome. We have a flat. Brand new trailer, brand new tires. What's up, everybody? Tim back here at Higgs Garage. As you can see, we are no longer at our original garage. We have since sold our house and moved in with my parents. In the meantime, we are waiting to figure out where we are going next. As you may or may not know, my wife is active duty and she is gone right now. She's in Japan for the year. She'll be back in April, and then we will be going wherever the Army sends us. We moved in with my parents. The house sold extremely fast. We were very, very lucky, but it also put us out of a house. The original Higgs Garage is gone, which bittersweet. We will be on to bigger and better things. Now we get to enjoy the summer. The kids do with their grandparents, and I get to spend some time with my mom and dad before we're shipped off to wherever it may be. With that all being said, that is a little bit of a quick update on why you are seeing some different scenery. I have a really cool product that I want to share with you guys. It was sent out to us by Auxito, and as you may or may not know, also Auxito sent us some really cool lights for the 2013 F-150, the truck that I daily drive. They sent us, I can try to get you guys right there, the third brake light. It's hard to see, but I do have a video on it, so go look at it. They also sent us the switchback LED turn signals for the front. So they're bright orange when they flash, but then when you're driving, they are a bright white. That's what they sent us, and I have videos on both of those installs and them functioning. So go check those out. We have something a little different than lights today from Auxito, this portable air pump. This truck, it has onboard air. It has the Horn Blasters air horn kit on it. With the oversized tires, the spare was kind of pointless or useless to me, so I removed it. And then we installed that Horn Blasters kit and kind of in place of where the spare is. It was nice because now I had onboard air and I just left the plug kit inside the truck. So if I had a flat, if I got a nail or something that was repairable, or at least a way that I could limp myself to town, I was able to do it with those. But we have another truck, and it doesn't have a spare on it, has larger tires. We all haul trailers. So for instance, with this moving our house to our storage units, we were using the new, right there, our new enclosed trailer, and we had a nail in it. Yes, could have used the onboard air in the truck, but ironically, during the move, I had charged this thing up, intending to do a video for you guys, and I was like, this is the perfect opportunity that we can go ahead and patch that trailer tire. I do have spares, but they weren't with me. I can patch that trailer tire, and we can try this new pump out from Auxito. You guys will see us using this, and it worked phenomenally. And I will kind of show you what is inside the box, what you get, and how awesome this little guy is. Well, everybody, we are moving, and we're using this nice big new trailer we got, and I am pulling out of my parents' house, and I noticed that it was pulling a little weird up the driveway, and I stopped and look. We have a flat. Brand new trailer, brand new tires. What we'll do, we'll go ahead, real world scenario, plug this tire, show the pump working, airing this tire up, something that could happen to anybody, whether it's on a trailer or a car tire. See how awesome it is, how great it works, and then we'll go ahead and do some unboxing. I'm gonna grab a tire plug kit. I always keep one in the truck, just a Harbor Freight one. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the tire, and I'll grab this pump and we'll get it set up. Just quickly showing what we're gonna go ahead and use. Here's the pump, and that's our tire plug kit. I'll try to go ahead and leave some links down in the description for the tire plug kit. I was looking at this tire off camera here when I noticed that it was flat, and it does have a nail. Where is it? There it is. Right there where I can see it, so that is good. It's on the inside, so I have no problem just plugging this thing up, but I'm glad I seen it before I got on the road. So when I received this thing, it was packaged exactly how I'm gonna show it to you, but I wanted to charge it. So it's fully charged, which is awesome. It showed up at 85%, so it would have did this job no problem. But full disclosure, I did charge it and everything and threw it in the truck because I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. Just so happens that I have a real world scenario where I'm gonna go ahead and plug this tire up and use it to get this trailer back on the road so I can get my move done. All right, guys, I'm gonna plug it. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I am back here. We got this tire plugged up. Should be good to go. And here I have the pump itself out of the box. Got like a little light on and stuff. It's really cool. We'll go over it all more in depth once we get back. I got it turned on here, and these tires are gonna be 50 PSI. And then there's a power button. There we go. see how long this takes. Bam. 50 PSI. So I want to say it took around 12 minutes to do. We have, I know it might be hard to see, but 40% battery left. It did a great job. It was, look how little this thing is. It's tiny. I mean, I think that is pretty sweet that it's small enough that it fit in my hand. It literally took me probably 5 minutes if that to plug that tire, and then say 12 minutes. So under 20 minutes, we had the tire fixed. Now, I know carrying a spare is better and all that stuff, but you gotta have a jack. You gotta have a lug nut wrench. That to me was super easy. If I was on the side of the road with the family or whatever, I could have plugged it really quickly, turned that thing on, sat in the truck safely, let it do its thing, and then been back out and the tire would have been good to go and been on my way. That's awesome to me. It does all kinds of different things. Like I said, we will go over more of it once I get back to the house. I'm gonna get back on the road. I will get back and do an unboxing of this, and we'll kind of go over a couple of other little things on this, but that was a great success. I'm gonna go ahead and show you an unboxing of it. We have all the stuff right here that came in this nice little box, all packaged up perfectly and nice and compact, which was great because you could just take this thing and throw it underneath your seat. I don't think it'll fit in a glove box, but maybe a center console or wherever you can store it, have it ready to go in case you guys do have a flat of your own. Let's go over real fast what came in the box. It's not a super extensive video because there's not a lot to it. It's a typical air pump, but it's a pretty awesome one. All right, so what we have is this whole pump, or all this stuff, obviously came in this little box right here. Full disclosure there, they did send it to us. I seen the box and I was very impressed at how small it was, because that obviously meant that the pump itself was going to be really compact, which was a convenient thing to have. You know, depending on how packed down the truck may be, or if you're in a smaller car or whatever, then it's kind of nice that you can have something so compact that's capable of getting you out of a really nasty situation or off the side of the road. And then on the back, it goes over all of its specs, the model number and all that stuff, and then what it comes with, and then it's got the little barcode on the back. So this is basically what the box looks like. So here's the pump, and the thing is not much. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's about the size of my hand. That goes to show how compact the thing is. Comes with your little small air line, which is a perfect size also, to go ahead and screw right on your valve stem and air your tire right up. Now, we did use, it was charged to 100% because I had it prepared to go ahead and do this video for you guys, or an unboxing of it at least, and I wanted it charged. But ironically, that worked out perfect because we needed to really use it. After using it from 100%, it is showing to be at 40. And when I got it, it was at 85. So it still would have probably aired up the trailer tire, no problem. We still would have had enough battery to get the job done. But I would recommend, just when you get it, open the thing up, plug it in, get it charged before you go on the road. If you forget, it comes with a really nice cigarette charger, and it's a USB-C to USB plug. Most people have those in their cars, but either way, you should be able to go ahead and charge the thing up if you need to, or if, and like in our case, we used it, we'll need to go ahead and plug it back in case we had another flat. Also in the box comes with your adapters for your sports equipment or other types of valve stems, I would assume, and a nice bag. So you don't even have to leave it in the box. You can even make it a little more compact by opening it up, tossing the box, throwing all of your items in the nice bag that it comes with, put it under the seat, and forgetting about it until the time comes where you may need it. Then you have it. It did take it a little time. I want to say between 10 and 12 minutes. I recorded the whole thing so I could kind of use it as a timestamp. 12 minutes to air a standard trailer tire up, you know, to 50 PSI is what we went to. So it's pretty high PSI, but all this stuff comes with the pump, comes in this nice compact box, and you guys will be ready to go. Let me bring this in, put this somewhere in the dark where I can turn that light on for you guys, and I will just show you the light and the options, and then we'll try to go through the screen a little bit in low light conditions so it's better visibility for you guys. Let's go ahead, and it's not pitch, but it is much lower light. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. You just hold the button, and you guys can see how nice the display is on here. We have our little car, we have our desired air pressure here, and then the pressure that it would be inflated to, or what your tire pressure would be at real time. And then up here you have your battery indicator. So that is really cool. Your power button's in the middle. From the power button, just one above it, plus or increase, and then the other one underneath that power button would be decrease for your desired pressure. And then underneath here you have a mode, so you can switch your modes. There's your bike, your motorcycle, and it shows a little basketball for like sports equipment. And then up top here, it's like a little light indicator, like a sun. That's where you're gonna turn the light on. It's not like extremely bright, and it's hard to tell where I'm at now, but it is definitely bright. And the cool thing is, like I said, so that was the first push. Let me try to get it towards not blinding the camera here. The second one is our flashing red, our slow flashing red. Push it again, it flashes faster. And then off. So white, flashing red, and then a little bit of a faster flashing red. You can set your stuff all up, face this kind of to the rear of your vehicle, and turn on your flashing light. And that will help give some safety and visibility to anybody that may be driving up on you. You set your desired pressure and hit the start button. You can hear it run, and that's it. It will pump air right through the air hose that it comes with, and it screws right on your valve stem or whatever other adapter you may be using. Click it on, and then it automatically shuts off once it reaches your desired pressure, and you unscrew and put your stuff away. Throw it maybe back on the charger. That way you're set in case you have another incident, and you're good to go. If you guys are interested in getting one of these for yourself, you're going to go right to Auxito.com. You're going to click on the little 3 lines at the top left. You're going to go down to tire inflators, and then you're going to select, there's a couple different options you have, and you will see this one right there, and the model is right here on the back. It is A501. It is the larger one, and I believe that they are on sale, I think, for $99 right now. And you will go ahead and throw that in your cart, go to your cart, fill out your shipping and billing information, and then you will scroll down and put code HiggsGarage15, and you will see $15 come off of your purchase. So make sure you guys head on over, use, once again, code HiggsGarage15, pick yourself up one. I want you guys to know that I will leave a link in the description below to pick yourself up one of these if you would like, and make sure you use code HiggsGarage15 to get $15 off. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was short, sweet, to the point, and it gave you guys some information in a product that you could probably use, you know, being anybody, whether you do a lot of traveling or little traveling. It is something that will give you a good peace of mind having with you, so you could potentially get yourself to a safer location or off the side of the road. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like, share, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.